A massive redwood log begins an extraordinary transformation through precision woodworking, patience, and master-level craftsmanship techniques.
Every stage reveals hidden grain beauty, while raw timber slowly evolves into a refined.
The harvested redwood log is carefully secured onto a heavy-duty transport truck using reinforced straps and protective padding. It travels steadily toward the workshop, shielded from moisture, vibration, and surface damage during controlled transportation.
Bring it down slowly, maintain tension. Copy that, watching the guides.
Easy now.
Set it down, clear the area.
The log is positioned onto reinforced supports, allowing complete inspection of surface cracks, knots, moisture levels, and grain direction. Excess bark, debris, and loose fibers are removed using industrial brushes and compressed air systems. Moisture content is measured precisely to determine stabilization requirements before initiating any turning operations. The log is cross-cut into a manageable blank using a high-torque industrial bandsaw with reinforced blades.
Cut surfaces are sealed immediately to prevent rapid moisture loss and unwanted surface checking.
The blank is mounted onto a heavy lathe using custom steel faceplates and high-strength bolts. Lathe alignment is carefully adjusted to ensure rotational balance and minimize vibration during high-speed turning.
Initial rotation begins slowly, allowing observation of imbalance, grain behavior, and structural integrity.
Large roughing gouges remove excess mass, shaping the blank into a rough cylindrical form gradually. Each pass maintains controlled pressure, preventing tear-out while respecting redwood's softer fiber structure.
Shavings accumulate rapidly, revealing warm hues and aromatic qualities characteristic of mature redwood timber.
Speed increases incrementally as the form becomes more balanced and evenly distributed.
Tool angles are continuously refined to follow grain patterns and reduce surface resistance.
Natural imperfections are evaluated, deciding whether to preserve or subtly integrate them artistically.
The exterior profile begins emerging with smooth curves, symmetrical contours, and proportional depth. Calipers measure wall thickness repeatedly, ensuring structural stability throughout the evolving form.
Secondary tools refine transitions, sharpening edges while preserving organic flow and visual harmony.
The lathe pauses periodically, allowing surface inspection under directional lighting for imperfections.
Minor cracks are stabilized using clear resin to reinforce integrity without obscuring natural grain.
Once stabilized, curing time ensures bonding strength before further shaping resumes.
The interior hollowing process begins using specialized hollowing tools with extended reach.
Material removal progresses slowly, maintaining consistent wall thickness from rim to base.
Internal surfaces are smoothed carefully to prevent stress points during final drying stages.
The form's balance is continuously reassessed, ensuring even weight distribution and rotational symmetry.
Fine shaping tools refine subtle curves, enhancing elegance and tactile appeal. Sanding begins with coarse grit, removing tool marks and surface irregularities methodically.
Progressively finer grits are applied, creating an increasingly smooth and uniform surface.
Dust extraction systems operate continuously, maintaining clarity and protecting the workspace environment.
Hand sanding complements machine sanding, especially along curves and detailed edges. Surface grain patterns become more pronounced as sanding reaches higher refinement levels. Natural figure, color variation, and growth rings emerge vividly across the surface.
The piece rests briefly to release internal tension caused by material removal.
Final sanding passes correct any raised grain or micro imperfections after resting.
A natural oil finish is applied evenly, penetrating fibers and enhancing depth.
Excess oil is removed carefully to prevent blotching or uneven sheen.
Multiple curing cycles deepen color richness and provide durable surface protection.
Edges and rims receive extra attention to ensure comfort and visual refinement. The base is trued precisely, allowing stable placement without wobble.
Final inspection evaluates symmetry, finish consistency, and overall artistic balance.
Lighting highlights flowing grain patterns and subtle tonal shifts across the surface.
Protective wax adds a final layer, enhancing luster and long-term preservation.
All right, steady now. Lift together.
Okay, easy, easy. Looks good, we got it.
It is cleaned thoroughly, removing residual dust or fingerprints. The completer redwood creation stands as a refined expression of patience and precision. Every curve showcases respect for material, process, and traditional wood-turning mastery.
Highlights.
A massive redwood log begins an extraordinary transformation through precision woodworking, patience, and master-level craftsmanship techniques.
Every stage reveals hidden grain beauty, while raw timber slowly evolves into a
Transport.
The harvested redwood log is carefully secured onto a heavy-duty transport truck using reinforced straps and protective padding. It travels steadily toward the workshop, shielded from moisture, vibration, and surface damage during controlled transportation.
The completer redwood creation stands as a refined expression of patience and precision.